In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters in Zoho Mail. Filters are a great way to automatically organize your inbox so you don't have to sort through every message by hand. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a filter so certain emails are automatically handled for you. First, open Zoho Mail and make sure you're on your main inbox view. Look towards the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. This is your settings icon. Go ahead and click on that gear. This opens the settings panel where you can control how your mail behaves. Inside the settings area, look for the option labeled filters. Depending on your layout, it may be under a section related to mail settings or email rules. Click on filters to open the filter management page. This is where you'll see any filters you've already created, and it's also where you can add new ones. Now, to create a new filter, find the button that says New Filter and click it. This will open a form or a panel where you define what your filter should look for and what it should do. Take a moment here, because these details are important for keeping your inbox organized. You'll typically start by giving your filter a clear name, something that describes its purpose, like newsletters or project updates. A descriptive name makes it easier to manage your filters later. Next, set the conditions. These conditions tell Zoho Mail which messages the filter should catch. For example, you might choose emails from a specific sender, messages that contain a certain word in the subject line, or emails sent to a particular address. Think about the pattern of messages you want to manage and set the conditions to match that pattern as precisely as you can. After that, choose the actions. This is what Zoho Mail will do when a message meets your conditions. Common actions include moving the email to a specific folder, marking it as read, applying a tag, or even flagging it. You can usually combine actions, so you might move the email to a folder and mark it as read at the same time. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and you're happy with your conditions and actions, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom of the filter form. Click Save to create your filter. Your new filter is now active, and Zoho Mail will automatically apply it to incoming messages that match the rules you just set up.